द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज यह शर्ट कितने की है? वॉट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस शर्ट? वॉट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस शर्ट? कितने दिन लगेंगे? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? उसकी नाक बह रही है। हिज नोज इज रनिंग। हिज नोज इज रनिंग। खेलते हुए टांग पर चोट लग गई। आई हर्ट माई लेग वाइल प्लेइंग। आई हर्ट माई लेग वाइल प्लेइंग। मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। आई एम आस्किंग यू समथिंग। आई एम आस्किंग यू समथिंग। सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? विच शर्ट इज द बेस्ट? विच शर्ट इज द बेस्ट? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? मेरे पास 20 रुपये कम है। I am short by 20 rupees. I am short by 20 rupees. मैं रात में देर से सोया था। I slept late last night. I slept late last night. तुमने हमेशा मुझे डांटा। You always scolded me. You always scolded me. तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं। We played cricket. We played cricket. ऊपर के कमरे से बोतल लेके आओ। Bring the bottle from the room upstairs. Bring the bottle from the room upstairs. किसी से कुछ मत पूछना। Don't ask anything for anybody. Don't ask anything for anybody. वह अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर चुकी है। She has fulfilled her desires. She has fulfilled her desires. बताइए मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? Tell me how can I help you? Tell me how can I help you? मैं रोज़ इंग्लिश सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to learn English every day. I try to learn English every day. यह कमीज मेली है। This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। I am not involved in this. I am not involved in this. यह कमीज फटी हुई है। This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. मैं इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते अटक जाता हूँ। I fumble while speaking English. I fumble while speaking English. उसने तुम्हें एक उपहार भेजा है। He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. यह किसका मोबाइल नंबर है? Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? मुझसे गोलमोल बातें मत करो। Don't talk cleverly with me. Don't talk cleverly with me. तुम कायर हो। You are a coward. You are a coward. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं। We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता। He can't shirk the work now. He can't shirk the work now. वह नहा रहा है। He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? उसने ही तो कहा था। It was he who had said it. It was he who had said it. वो बाजार जा रहे हैं। They are going to market. They are going to market. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया। I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. हमारी ख्वाहिशें इतनी क्यों हैं? Why are our desires this many? Why are our desires these many? मेरा एक काम करोगे? Would you do me a favor please? Would you do me a favor please? आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? समझ गए? Understood या got it? Understood या got it? कुछ चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I am teaching you English या I am making you learn English. I am teaching you English या I am making you learn English. ऐसे में हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Where can we go in this situation? Where can we go in this situation? मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ. I am making you understand. I am making you understand. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी. He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. मेरा भाई पढ़ रहा है. My brother is studying. My brother is studying. वो रो रहा है. He is weeping. He is weeping. मैं भी साथ चलूँ? May I accompany you या shall I accompany you? May I accompany you या shall I accompany you? मैं नहा रहा हूँ. I am taking a shower. I am taking a shower. हमने आज बाहर डिनर किया. We took dinner outside today. We took dinner outside today. हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था. Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. हमें स्कूटर ठीक करना पड़ा था. We had to repair the scooter. We had to repair the scooter. इससे बेहतर कुछ हो नहीं सकता. Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. वो मुझे रुला रहा है. He is making me weep. He is making me weep. आपको तुरंत यहाँ आना पड़ा था. You had to come here immediately. You had to come here immediately. आप मुझे दुखी कर रहे हैं. You are making me sad. You are making me sad. आज तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today? क्या हुआ? What happened या what's the matter? What happened या what's the matter? ज़रा मैं तैयार हो लूँ. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. घबराने की बात नहीं है. Not to worry या nothing to worry about. Not to worry या nothing to worry about. तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियाँ हैं. You have many sarees. You have many sarees. मैं सभी को खाना खिलवा रहा हूँ. I am getting the food served to all. I am getting the food served to all. तुम ऐसी बकवास क्यों करते हो? Why do you talk such nonsense? Why do you talk such nonsense? ऐसी बात नहीं है. It is nothing like that या nothing as such. It is nothing like that या nothing as such. उसे बुखार है. He has a fever या he is suffering from fever. He has a fever या he is suffering from fever. गिलास को उल्टा कर दो. Turn the glass upside down. Turn the glass upside down. मैंने नहीं मानता. I don't agree या I don't believe it. I don't agree या I don't believe it. हमारे पास 2 दुकानें हैं. We have 2 shops. We have 2 shops. मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं. I have to wash my clothes. I have to wash my clothes. आपने ये पुस्तक कहाँ से ली? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? तुम कल कहाँ जाओगे? When will you go tomorrow? When will you go tomorrow? वो अभी अभी गया है. He has just gone या left. He has just gone या left. क्या झगड़ा है? What's the conflict या what's the dispute? What's the conflict या what's the dispute?